I'm Hannah from Smile Now, and today we have Mark here with us to share his experience with dental implants. He recently had the procedure done with Dr. Poppy at our Smile Now Denver location, and we're excited to hear all about his journey, from making the decision to his recovery and beyond. So let's jump into that interview.
My teeth were really bad due to chemotherapy for throat cancer.
Okay.
Now, it cured the cancer, but in the process ruined my teeth. I looked on the internet and I liked the idea where Dr. Pape said 24-hour. You can have new teeth in 24 hours. And I thought, there ain't no way you get new teeth in 24 hours. First of all, you got to remove all of my teeth.
Yeah.
So I called and I talked to him personally, and he assured me that, in fact, you would come in and you would have all your teeth removed, and before you left, all of your denture supports would be installed into your jawbone, upper and lower, and you would leave with temporary upper and lower dentures. Then the big question, what was the cost? Well, his cost was easily $10,000 less. So right away I'm attracted to him because not only is it's significantly less, but everything is done in one shop, and I'm not going back and forth between different professional entities to get the job done. So I drove out there from Fort Collins to where his place is on 120th in Denver. And I sat down and I had a consultation. They took x-rays. They said, yeah, you look like a good candidate, but he was concerned. He said, you've had radiation treatment, so that can affect your bone. So I need to have some medical records. He said, I'm not going to do this unless I know it's going to be a successful job. And I appreciated that. I gave him my records. And he said, you're a good candidate. You have good bone structure. And then I said, what about terms of price? I saw in your ad that you have finance options. He said, well, we don't finance it. We work with a company who does. And they gave me the name of the company, and they called me. The company did. Very easy to work with. I gave them some basic information. Like within 24 hours, I was approved. They enabled me to select my own payment program, how much I wanted to pay every month. So you could do it for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. I mean, they had all kinds of plans. I chose the one that fit my budget. And so we scheduled the surgery. The anesthesiologist talked to me, and he told me exactly what they were going to do. And I kind of just put myself in his hands. All of the people there were so outgoing and professionally minded and very friendly. And you could ask them 100 questions, and they would want you to ask any question that you might have. And they were very forthright in their answers. I felt like they were a very genuine group of people. Great guy. He's a smart guy. He's a very conscientious guy. He's concerned all the time, all of them are, about how you feel, if you're comfortable. Are you in pain? Does this hurt? Does that hurt? Would you like to take a break? Do you need some time to rest? I mean, there's all that. They don't push and shove on anything. And it's like 2 o'clock. And I sat down in his chair. And the next thing I know, I wake up, and it's like 2.5 hours later. And I look in the mirror, and I can't believe what I'm looking at. I'm looking at these teeth. He wanted to look and do a few other things, but everything was explained so clearly, and I've always felt very confident with him. And some people give you that feeling of confidence, that you're in good hands when you come to them, because they know what they're doing. Not only are they, I found out that not only they're confident, but they're competent, and there's a difference. You can be falsely confident, but they were very competent in what they did. There was nothing that surprised them. Everything didn't go perfect, but there was nothing that came up that they didn't know exactly what was happening or what to do. For me, after about 2 or 3 days, I'm done recovering. It was fine. He sent me home with some pain medication, and they helped a lot. I would recommend if anybody does this, they plan on not working for that week. But after that, you're pretty much fine. I was. I could have went to work after 4 days. For my quality of life, it's been very positive because I talk to a lot of people in my business, and I'm on video a lot in the business that I'm in when I'm being interviewed. And I find that I'm much more confident. I'm not self-conscious about my smile. I used to have a way of keeping my teeth closed over my smile so you couldn't see my teeth.
Yep.
They know I'm smiling, but I didn't want them to see my teeth. Now I can smile confidently, and I really appreciate that freedom it gives you. Not only are you confident, but you're actually, I hate to say it, but you're proud to smile. Okay?
Yeah.
And I enjoy that part of my life. And people even comment, they say, wow, what'd you do to your teeth, Mark? Yeah, they really look good. Are you using whitener? And I'm like, no, actually, I got them all replaced. So for the price and the service and the way they treat you, I don't think it could be better.
Thank you so much, Mark, for sharing your experience. It's incredible to hear how life-changing this procedure has been for you. If you're considering dental implants or dentures but have questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Smile Now.